Yo, what's up, future coding ninjas? Brad here, your guide to crushing it in the web dev world. We're gonna talk about transforming killer designs into real working websites. It's like magic, but with less smoke and mirrors and way more JavaScript. You've probably seen those sleek designs on Figma, right? They look amazing. But then comes the head-scratching part, actually building the darn thing. Don't worry, we've all been there. That's where the power of code comes in, my friends. We're gonna break down that wall between design and development. Using awesome tools like NextJS and Tailwind CSS, you'll learn how to bring those static designs to life. Get ready to turn those pixels into pure interactive awesomeness. Let's get this show on the road. All right, let's talk styling. You know how designers obsess over every pixel? Well, Tailwind CSS is like giving you, the developer, that same level of control, but without the headache of writing a ton of custom CSS. Think of it as Legos for your website style. Tailwind provides these pre-built CSS classes like, or just sprinkle them directly into your HTML and bam, you've got instant styling. No more digging through CSS files or trying to remember what you named that one class. But the real magic of Tailwind is its responsive modifiers. Want a button that changes color on hover? Easy peasy, just add. Need to adjust the layout for mobile? No problem. Tailwind has you covered with breakpoints like, and more. Now let's talk about building the heart of many websites, the hero section. You know, that big attention-grabbing area at the top of the page with a catchy headline and maybe a cool image or video? Yeah, that one. Next.js makes building these sections a breeze. With its component-based structure, you can break down your hero section into reusable chunks, like the headline, subheadline, call-to-action button, and background image. But wait, there's more. Next.js also plays nicely with Tailwind CSS. Remember those utility classes we talked about? You can use them directly in your Next.js components to style your hero section to perfection. It's like peanut butter and jelly. They just belong together. Section 4, Accessibility Matters, WCAG for everyone. Okay, listen up because this is important. Building a visually stunning website is cool and all, but it's crucial to make sure everyone can enjoy it regardless of their abilities. That's where accessibility comes in. And it's not just a checkbox, it's about creating a better web for everyone. We're going to use the WCAG, or Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, as our guide. Don't let the fancy acronyms scare you. It's all about making sure our websites are perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust, or POUR. Think about things like color contrast. Can everyone read the text? Keyboard navigation? Can users who can't use a mouse still navigate the site? And alternative text for images? So screen readers can describe images to visually impaired users. We'll cover practical tips and tricks to make your hero section and your entire website more accessible. Section 5. Image Optimization. Supercharge your site with Next.js. Let's be real, nobody likes a slow website. Images are often the biggest culprits, but fear not, Next.js comes to the rescue with its built-in image optimization superpowers. We're talking about the component, my friends. This bad boy automatically optimizes your images for different screen sizes and devices, so you don't have to. It even serves them in modern formats like WebP, which can drastically reduce file sizes without sacrificing quality. But wait, there's more. Next.js also supports lazy loading with the component. This means images only load when they're actually needed, which can significantly speed up your website's initial load time. Section 6. Level Up. Resources and tips for budding developers. Congratulations, you've made it. You're well on your way to becoming a web development rock star. But the learning never stops, my friends. Always be curious, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to break things. In a controlled environment, of course. To help you on your journey, I've put together some awesome resources and tips. First up, check out the official documentation for Next.js and Tailwind CSS. They're surprisingly well written and full of helpful examples. Don't underestimate the power of the developer community. Websites like Stack Overflow are your best friend when you're stuck on a problem. And if you're looking for inspiration or want to see how other developers are using these tools, head over to GitHub and explore some open source projects.